Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and the crapifying of the Windows operating system, the crapifying is continuing according to some of the latest reports with the fact that we already know that Microsoft is checking how to place ads within Windows, which I still think does not have its place there. Windows as an operating system should be clean of ads. They are looking at, and you can complain in advance. You can tell them that you don't want that, but they're actually playing with the fact that in the settings app, where there will be empty spaces, they want to put ads in there. So, for example, there could be one. If we go down here, there's a spot here on the bottom right. Well, that spot could have a little card with an ad in it. And apparently, some of the latest testing operating system of Windows 11 have that showing up. And of course, Microsoft is trying to put ads everywhere. It's completely crazy that you do this in Windows, just crapifying the experience, which is sad. We know that in the start menu, they've started to do this also. And some can see some suggestions and ads of apps in the Microsoft Store and all sorts of things like that. There are places for ads, like I already said it in the past. The Microsoft Store, yeah, fine, it's an app store. Having ads to show us different apps that might be of interest is okay. But the fact that they're really, really working hard in having all of this within Windows, including in the settings app, is really getting ridiculous. I just can't believe that Microsoft is kind of stooping so low that it's unimaginable. I mean, come on. We don't want to have ads within the settings app. We don't want to have ads in the standard use of Windows 11. And hopefully, with enough people complaining about getting ads when they don't want to, maybe we could turn things around and change. There's been quite a few tests that were done, including in File Explorer, where people went just mad and Microsoft backed off. So, if enough people complain, it's a possibility. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.